Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to renew Sunbiz, Florida. First, open Google and type in Sunbiz File Renewal. Then, click on the link to file the annual report. You will need your document number, so open a new tab and go to search.sunbiz.org. Here, search by entity name and input the name of your entity. Click on the search record section. Then, find your entity's name. Once done, copy the document number. Paste the document number into the previous screen and click Submit. Ensure all information is correct and note the filing fee. If you want a certificate of status, check Yes. Otherwise, check No. Proceed to the final review. Verify the information. Input your email twice, your name and title. Move on to the payment section where you will see the fee amount. Select your payment method and click Continue. Then input your payment information. Verify it and submit the payment. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.